guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a very bronzy summer makeup because it's a very gloomy day and I want to feel like summer because it's actually almost July. So let's bring life to this face. I just prepped my skin, but I really like to go with a milky toner, and I hope this doesn't break me out because I'm having these little pimples in my forehead, and I hate when I get acne because I did Accutane already twice in my life, so really don't want to go back. But yeah, I also feel like I am having a little bit of hyperpigmentation. That's why I'm using this toner right here. So it's a great base, and maybe it just helps me a little bit too. So let's see. Okay, so now I'm going to go with this. I really love this. I've been using it for a year or even more, I don't know. But I really love this because this gives me a very glowy, natural base. It's in a stick, and I love stick products. This is the Charlotte Tilbury stick. It's the Follows filter, but it's in a stick, and I really like this one. I like to go with my big brush for this because it's supposed to be very natural and like a base, you know, so doesn't have to be perfect, especially because we are going to put foundation. Actually it's a skin tint, but I don't usually do it, but today I want to do it, especially because I have these little pimples, and I'm not using makeup right now these past few days because I've been sick. So yeah, I feel I really need it. I want to go with Phillips technique, which is the underpainting, and I'm going with L'Oreal bronzer. I really like this bronzer. It's a recent purchase. It's a recent product in my collection. I really love it because it's super non-expensive. It's also very easy to use, and it's a shimmery kind of bronzer, so I feel this really gives life to the skin. For this, I'm actually going to use an angled brush because I feel it's exactly what you should be using for this. Basically, don't have to be perfect because it's underpainting, but you have to at least blend a little bit. I feel a lot of the times makeup doesn't look good because you're not blending it as you should, so it's very important. Okay, so it's the underpainting. I really want to go a little bit blonder for summer. Let me know what you guys think, because I used to be a little bit blonder, and now I just got my hair a little darker, and I want to go blonder again. I feel it's time. So yeah, I do love a good blonde hair because I'm actually dark blonde naturally, so I really love a good blonde, you know, light blonde. The next thing we are going to do is this L'Oreal Serum Skin Tint Foundation. It's really good because it is not only very natural and the colors are just super cool, but also I really feel it blends so seamlessly and just so well, you know, so easy. I'm actually going with a brush because I did the bronzer, but if I was going to only with the foundation, I would go with my fingers probably. So yeah, but go with a big brush. Don't put too much, okay? I know that a lot of people are you have to put a lot of makeup because then your skin is going to absorb. True, I feel that is true for sure, but if you want a very natural skin, you shouldn't be doing it. So today I'm going for natural makeup, so I want just a little bit. I'm just going to do my brows really quickly because I just go with brow gel, and right now I've been loving this one from Maybelline. I used to use the Anastasia one for years, and I still use it, but when I want my brows to really stay in place because I don't do much, I just go with clear brow gel. But they are very stubborn. I really like this one, and it's actually very cheap too. So yeah, and they stay in place, which is obviously amazing if you have stubborn eyebrows. I feel it's really hard to find a brow gel that it's not too much, but also it's not like too light and doesn't do anything. So yeah, and actually there was so many like people like in social media talking about this, and I was like, I have to give it a try, but I love my Anastasia one so much. Now it's like I really like this one, so I should have tried it earlier. Since we are like doing brows, I'm also going to do my lashes. I'm just going to curl them very quickly because I feel like when you curl your lashes, you really look just so much better. Even if you don't put mascara and you just go with like a curling thing, it's amazing. Okay, so now I'm going with my concealer, and I feel like every time I do my makeup I use this, so everyone has already seen it. I really like it. I also am going to go in here just a little bit, and obviously my pimples, because yeah, I don't know, I have to do something about it because I hate having pimples. I feel like no one likes to have pimples, but when you already like struggled with acne, yeah, it's not good at all. Also, I love this Sephora collection brush. It's so good. It's like very big, like for a concealer brush, not big. But yeah, I go like this, and then I go with a sponge because I feel like in these areas I need to go with a sponge. But I first go like this. So here's a little hack. You go with like your sponge or big blender or whatever, and you go like with a face mist. And I really like this one, which is the 345 from Dr. Althea. And you go first in the place that you did put concealer, like this ones, just because it actually makes your makeup look a little bit better and more natural. It's like your skin kind of absorbs better and it doesn't like sit in you. My neighbors are like doing something on our walls. Oh, and I'm filming. Are you kidding me? Now let's go with the blush. I'm going with Patrick Ta. It's the She's That Girl, and I love this shade right here. It's like an amazing shade. I will go with my fingers just because my brush, anytime I go with my brush in here, it's like kind of dirty because of it. So I don't know, I don't like to go with my brush in here. I like how it is with the brush. I just always end up going with my fingers because like how dirty the brush makes the blush. See, it's like a very natural, pretty color. Actually, I'm waiting for my sprinkle from Rode to arrive because I want that for so long, and they now like finally shipped to Portugal, so I'm very happy. Okay, now something that I like really love is this. I love this Merit stick. It's like an highlighter stick, and I still love like my Armani and West Mansilla ones, but this one is also very good because I love a good glow that comes from like my skin, which actually it's coming from my ladder, but it looks like it's coming from the skin, and I love to do it also under my eyes, so this looks very natural, you know. Okay, now I'm going to go with one of my recent favorite products, which is the Rare Beauty powder bronzer. It's an incredible matte bronzer. It's actually very natural for like a powder bronzer that is matte. I don't think that it's like matte, it's just not really glowy. But I go with like a big brush, and then I go like in the places that I did put my cream bronzer. It's like, it's so good, you guys. It's like so natural and makes you look a little bit more like airbrushed, but also gives you so much like life to the skin, and it's, I don't know, it's just amazing. You have to try it. And also really big, so now for my eyes, I'm going with these little palettes, and I'm just going with like a little brown shade to just do like something, because like when it's like a bronzy kind of latte makeup, you have to do something to your eyes. Not like on a daily basis, obviously I go with just bronzer and sometimes a little bit of highlighter, but this also is really pretty. I really don't know why my neighbors like do this like work stuff in their houses when I'm filming. Swear. Thing that I really love is this grwm eyeshadow because it's like shimmery and has like a very beautiful like little shimmery brown thing. I really like it. It's very natural too. Like it's not natural, it's just like very easy to blend and you can just like work it up and do like more like elegant, sophisticated, or just like very natural. I feel like my eyes are very like dull and I need to do something about it, so it's like going to do this, like do a little bit more and see if this helps. Okay, yeah, yes, a little bit. Not that I mind to have like a little bit more like dull and not almond shaped eyes, but sometimes they are very like dull, you know. And I'm not someone who does eyeliner, so yeah. Okay, I'm going to go with mascara, which I really like this one. This is the Panorama, I think it's a brown mascara. Okay, just a little bit, okay? Like really just a little bit. Now we're going to set this with one of my favorite powders, which is the Hourglass powder. I feel like this is like the OG powder, this and the What a Beauty one. And Laura Mercier, I think it's still a little bit, but it's kind of like a little bit not as popular now, but I feel like this one is still a big powder. I mean, Huda is the powder, but this one is still amazing too. It's very hot, even though it's gloomy, it's kind of hot, so you have to set very well. But I like to keep like my glow, so I cannot set too much, you know. But I also don't want to look like too glowy because I feel like if you have acne and you are like too glowy, even though I love a good glow, sometimes it looks more oily than glow. I feel like I need more glow, so ignore everything I said and let's put more glow. Okay guys, let's go with like a setting spray. I've been using this one from Iconic. Actually my favorite one is the milk one, and then the other favorite is the Charlotte Tilbury, but this one is also really cool because it's like also a little bit blurring, so if you have pores you just look a little bit more like filtered, you know. Go to the lips. I feel like if you don't do lips, your makeup is just not looking that good, you know. And I'm not going with lip liner because it needs to be sharpened, so I'm going with this Kiko Milano lip liner. It's like a brown lip liner. It's in the shade, I don't even know, 21. It's very creamy, you guys, and I love a good creamy lip liner. Okay, I did overline a little bit. I don't like to overline, so bear with me. Because I don't want to be like too brown on the lips, I'm also going with this. It's a little bit more pink. It's the Completely Sepia from Makeup Forever. I also really love this one. I just prefer it as like creamy lip liner, and I feel like Kiko has great ones. Kiko, and I feel like also Kylie and Red. I like my favorite ones, and then this one. I feel like this one is like the OG lip liner that everyone has, everyone loves, you know. And now I'm going with this, which I love. It's the 505 from L'Oreal. They have the best lipsticks. It's like incredible. And I love the way that they also taste. It gives you like that memory of like your mom's lipsticks when you were younger. Like those little L'Oreal and Chanel lipsticks, you know? Because right now everyone like uses lip gloss, and I still love lip glosses, but I feel like sometimes it's just, I don't know, cooler to go with like a lip like this. But because my skin is like a little bit not that glowy, I'm going with a lip gloss, which is this one from Rare. It's just a little bit. See? And now I'm going with face mists because I want to give like a little bit of life. The look, but I'm going to show you in like natural light because I feel like it's very different. Come with me. See? It's really different. Like I was going to do it here, but then I was like, I don't know. Like sometimes that light over there is better for TikTok, but right now this light is just so good. Why don't I not do it here? Okay, maybe because you see the glow, but you don't see anything else. So yeah, I can't even see the blush. It's insane. But yeah, this is the makeup. It's very pretty, and I hope you guys like it. So don't forget to subscribe.